Hey, where's the scene? Welcome to the channel. My name is Jay, and we're going to activate the Topstep 50k combine in this video. So let me just get straight into it. So you see, we got the email this morning, just for passing the combine, the 50k combine. They just go over some of the benefits of trading with Topstep itself. All right. So I just need to go and activate the account now, and should be live, they said, within 1 to 2 days. So what's next? Join the Discord, that kind of stuff, which I already did. They would cancel the subscription to get the combine. And yeah, this is the certificate itself. So just some information on how to upload it into LinkedIn onto your profile and stuff, which I already did. So it's really just to go in now and activate the account, so could start trading live with it. All right, so we on the Topstep dashboard itself. So you can see we passed the combine, 53% winning trades, average loss at 76, average win of 184. So that's not bad. Trying to work on improving the number. I recently started playing with the donkey and channel, similar to the turtle trading system, but incorporating it with Renko. But I'll get into that after. Right, so now it's just to go ahead and activate the Express account. So we have just the agreement, continue, we are downloading the document. So I don't think I am supposed to show this, so I would not be showing this document. I'll run through this and then we'll continue from there. All right, so once you go through the document, we agree to the terms and conditions of the Express funding account. All right, yes, I agree to that. And I'll put in my details and I'll get back to you after. So we purchased the activation fee, the payment at $149. So this is a one-time fee. I create the Express funded account now. All right, so the account balance begins with 0 balance. So I have to keep track of the progress. So we need to hit 5 or more profit days of 200. So this is not consecutive, and then we could withdraw 50%, and then after 30 winning days we could do 100%. This is not, consecutive, 1 day at a time. So yeah, that is Express funded account, and here we are. So right, so all I'll try to do is keep track of the progress trading the account, and then if we do happen to get a payout, because I know that is one of the biggest challenges, there would be a lot of people that pass the actual combine or the evaluations with Topstep and Apex and some of the other prop firms, but the difficult part now is actually getting to that payout. So we just try to be as consistent as possible, try to keep the risk low, not swinging for the fence, especially now getting started. And if we get a payout, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, that is it. It's just a short video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.